is often fear and anxiety around aging, and you've exhibited that it doesn't have to be that way. What are the most common ageist narratives that you have encountered, and how can we shift the conversation from loss to empowerment?
Can I relate it? Because I'm a menopause advocate, obviously, menopause coach. Diba? So I think the misconception or the ageist view most people have when you go to menopause, that's the end of your femininity. It's not. It's the end of your life as a woman, as they say it. But, you know, there's so much freedom that you feel when you're at this point. And then, as I've said, you get a lot of knowledge, experiences. So yung view nila na yun nga, na parang that's the end of your life. No, it's not. It's just the beginning, because now you have more time to do things you're passionate about, that you had to take care of a lot of things, your kids, juggling yan, career, your partner, and now you have more time to do that. So it's, for me, it's more of a second win. Yun.
I think a lot of the misconceptions, mic two, yeah, thank you. A lot of misconceptions would be, ay, sungit yan, menopause kasi na yan. And it's true! It's true! But I hate everybody.
Babae, masungit na matanda.
I mean, to be honest, I guess, I hope, because we have this venue to talk about it also, for me, at least personally, yung symptoms ko would be like that, magnified. Yes. Kung nagsusungit kayo bago kayo magkaroon, mga 10 times nun. For me, at least, ha?
And it's just not just a few days before, no? It comes and goes.
Parang weird na siya, hindi mo na siya ma-anticipate kasi kayo and your reproductive years, ma-anticipate nyo siya, ay, nagsusungit na ako, mukhang in a couple of days I'm gonna get... Ito, parang may surprise, may surprise
kick. Let me just share this, I find funny before, but now parang, hindi pala funny. When I was in college, we had this librarian in school who was super sungit. We called her Conan, the librarian. Diba? So parang looking back, siguro si Conan was going through her menopause.
Absolutely. Diba? Thanks for bringing that up, because I've met people in my industry also na they were so difficult. Then I'll meet them again maybe 10 years later. Parang, that was not my impression of that person. As in, and then when you, because I'm in that era also. So napapaisip tuloy ako, my God, sino kaya yung mga nakamit sa akin ngayon? Na in the future sabihin nila, kaya pala ganun siya, no?
Sungit pa rin ako siya.
Parang ganun. So, we make fun of it now, and I'm glad that it's a very light-hearted note also, no? But when you have more information about it, yeah, and realize these things, shucks, kaya pala ganun si nanay. Kaya pala ganun si lola dati.
Yes.
But sino naman kakausapin nila about it? Kayo? Baka nga sa kanila, they're not even that aware that they're
going through it.
Di ba, my idea before of what menopause was, ganun, hindi ka na nagkaroon, and then you're done.
That's it.
Malay ko ba that it's a 10-year period?
Actually, the thing is, menopause is an exact event. That's the day when after 12 months you haven't had your period, that's menopause. Yun lang yung strictly speaking. The years going to that point, it's called perimenopause. So that's a good, remember, good 8 to 10 years of your life. Then you become menopause. After that, it's another 8 to 10 years of your life when you're post-menopause, and you might still feel the symptoms. I see their faces going like this.
I know you guys. So, kung umabot kayo ng mga 43, 44, tas medyo extra sungit na kayo.
2 decades of my life.
Pero
that's the thing. When we talk about it and we know what to look forward to how in quotation marks, then we're armed with the information we need to survive and manage that.